All right, going to be taking a look at Rocky Mountain High brand, currently traded at 0747. 0747. You guys are going to have resistance at 080847 and 0888. The main support right now is going to be 07, is going to be a must hold. Big move here, guys. Big move over time since the beginning of the year. Up to 01, holy, 16 cents. Now it's 7, stabilizing right there around that area. We're going to want to see 7 hold. Currently, right now, in the bearish territory. Bearish. Why do I keep saying that? Well, the RSI is at 29, and looking back in here in the chart, it hasn't been in that area since September of 2016 when it was traded at 02. So keep that in mind right now. Hopefully things turn around. I don't know if there's selling going on here in the shares or if there's a big seller getting out. I don't know. It's all speculation as far as why. You would definitely want to look into that yourself and figure that out. For this one to turn around, we would want to definitely see a break of the 0888 area, which is a 28-day simple moving average. A break of that would be bullish, and it could really move off of that, putting your next resistance around 10. With that being said, things are going to have to turn around. 07 is going to be a must hold, and 0888 is going to be a break. So again, really tightening up here. Outside that lower Bollinger Band the last 2 days, snap back today. It tried to at least, and then start pulling back down. So 07 is going to be the must hold here. We'll see what Joe can add to this.
All right, so their latest press release was that Rocky Mountain High Brands appoints award-winning CEO Jerry David to its board of directors and special consultant to the chairman. The Rocky Mountain High Brands Incorporated, a fully reporting consumer goods company specializing in hemp-infused food and beverage products and naturally high alkaline water, announced on April 25th that the company has appointed Jerry David, retired president and CEO of Celsius Holdings Incorporated, to its board of directors and special consultant to the chairman. So Jerry David, as the former president and CEO of Celsius Holdings Incorporated, the creator and marketer of Celsius, the world's first negative calorie drink backed by clinical science, was named one of only 25 gold winners recognized globally in the prestigious CEO World Awards. He was selected as the leader in the CEO of the Year category and recognized for his crucial role at the helm of this rapidly expanding brand. Mr. David's broad experience in manufacturing, product development, marketing, sales, supply chain, and finance provided the leadership Celsius required as it grew aggressively both domestically and internationally. Prior to Celsius, he opened his first startup at the age of 27, growing his company to 6 states. Before going public, he has over 20 years experience in the technology sector, having held executive positions at IBM, Honeywell, and GTE. He has over 21 years of experience in consumer products with companies such as HSN, Direct, Oragenics, and Viratech Labs. Mr. David has personally led 3 startups, overseeing turnarounds at 5 companies, along with successfully managing businesses spanning 72 countries. So Mr. David commented, "I'm proud of all that we have accomplished as a team over the last 5.5 years, which created a successful turnaround at Celsius. We had built a solid infrastructure that allowed the company to realize continued growth globally. Celsius achieved 5 years of record revenues, opened new international markets, significantly improved shareholder value, and established a solid balance sheet." So David continued, when I was first introduced to Rocky Mountain High Brands almost a year ago, I instantly recognized that the same amazing potential that I saw in Celsius. I am eager to share my experience, connections, and guidance to help accelerate growth at Rocky Mountain High Brands and place the company in an international spotlight. So Jerry Grisafi, founder and chairman of Rocky Mountain High Brands, stated, a critical key to corporate success is securing a talented team of top industry professionals who can help us achieve rapid corporate growth. Jerry David has the expertise to smoothly guide Rocky Mountain High Brands manufacturing, marketing, supply chain, sales, and distribution networks as we transition into an internationally distributed brand. So, and then it goes on to say more about the awards and everything else that he won. So, I mean, that's all there for your viewing if you want to continue reading on that. They also had another press release on April 24th, and that was regarding Rocky Mountain High Brands announced its first production run of Eagle Spirit spring water in a box. That's there for you guys to read as well. So if you want to continue doing your due diligence on Rocky Mountain High brands, just go right over to the RMHB board on Investor Hangout. From there, you'll see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. And as always, if you have an opinion on a company, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily by posting right over there on that Rocky Mountain High brands board.
All right, right here, you can see me going through a little bit of information that Joe was going over. Back on the chart right here, 0750. Resistance is going to be at 08, 0847, 0888. Support at 07 is going to be a must hold. I'm going to add a little bit into this one as well. A break of 0.0888 would... All right, so that break of 0.888 would be a bullish move for this one as well. Rocky Mountain High, again, shout out to all of the dedicated people over on Investors Hangout. We appreciate you guys using our forum here to talk about Rocky Mountain High. With that being said, if you follow the stock, make sure you hit that like button if you haven't, and check us out for the next live show, investorshangout.com/live.